Boy, dance all nice again. When you can draw in the big Christian. This in Lady Saw is dropping a track or two regarding you know who and who and who. Oh my gosh. 2020 is a serious year. Corona pandemic done mess up people's minds. But yo, musically, it's been one heck of a ride. Oh my gosh. Look at the Queen. Listen to the Queen. Listen to the Queen.
All right. Oh, Jesus. Pull up in the name of Jesus. It caught it down. Lord have mercy now. We ready for the road. Come. What else then? Them really said that about me? The pandemic hit everybody. All right, come again. Me say me soon all right. Christ know me soon all right. Tell them. Me soon all right. God know me. Hey. I'm sure without a doubt, my God will work it out. Tell the enemy don't worry about me. I'm sure without a doubt, my God will work it out. He will surely give me victory. Hey! Me soon alright. Them say me pop down, but me soon alright. No money now run, but you know something? We not give them no more right now. Cause the rest are two. Fill with the Holy Ghost fire. We can't make them know so I think. That is just a test of me soon alright. Right now, the whole thing, I will just get away. It's a whole heap of thing I go on right now. Enough something. Lord Jesus. Come now,
you have 700 and odd people. I think the people that want some more. Hey guys, if you want, una figure up.
Alright. Me say me soon alright. I sure it out and out. Come back again. You not that video me now. You better stop.
You got like 1,000 people.
I don't want them to know everything. Me soon alright. Tell them me soon alright. Me soon alright. Hey! I'm sure without a doubt, my God will work it out. Tell the enemy no worry about me. Said I'm sure without a doubt, my God will work it out. He will surely give me victory. What? Me soon alright. No money now run, but me soon alright. Me know me blessing it a come, so me soon alright. Me soon alright. Me can't pop down, but me soon alright. Me know a next one a come, yes, me soon alright. Hey, me still a fast. Me still a pray. Me thank God, yes, we see another day. Enough of them I say, oh, the thing set away. Me a ride out the star with me glad anyway. Jesus Christ, that's alright. Pull up and don't give them no more. Don't give them no more.
We want to hear about the mackerel and the rice. We want to hear about the mackerel and the rice.
Me no bother put the mackerel and rice in it. We get something way. No, man. We get another verse where me no know, you know. Oh, some people. God bless me already, I go bless me again. Set me already, then set me again. The devil, oh Lord God, the devil is that I can't catch me again. Then we have something else, we have a Holy Ghost boom for drop. You know, tell them about the next thing we say. Me soon fly, oh soon buy. Now watch your tears when we cry. Soon join me eye. We are not hear the part yet. Everybody hear the part.
Yeah.
We don't want to hear this part.
We want it.
This part is a Holy Ghost missile.
Drop the missile.
They want to hear the missile.
Drop the missile.
No. I got part. You know what should I use a verse first?
Which one?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Use it first, yeah.
Run the tune.
Alright. So, alright. I'm sure without a doubt, my God will work it out. Tell the enemies don't worry about me. I'm sure without a doubt, my God will work it out. He will surely give me victory. Me soon alright, me soon alright. Me soon alright, me soon alright. No money now run, but me soon alright. Me know me blessing it a come, so me soon alright. Me soon alright, me soon alright. Me soon alright, me soon alright. Me can't pop down, but me soon alright. Me have a new one a come, yes, me soon alright. Hey, me soon fly. Oh, soon buy. Me now watch some me now maybe no one put in the part there, my brother.
Them, man.
Tell me again, listen up. Tell me again why the Obia man lie. Tell me again why the Obia man lie. Tell me again why the Obia man lie. One boss off of me.
My God.
Hey. Tell me again why we should not just have a partner. Say, tell me again why the Obia man lie. Tell me again why the Obia man lie. You know, he want a boss off of me. Again, him better try. Him try too much. He tell too much lie, man. Listen, we're not ready yet. Get it done.
Stay tuned.
No
Stay tuned. Me soon alright. Stay tuned.
Me soon alright. Oi, me soon alright. We're recording. Yes, now. So this is Robin. Him don't show him face. Yes, me Clark, my friend named Clarky. I tell you, road burn up. Who no think to me in a church, me nah, man. Why you no trouble in church, man? Lord Jesus, a Holy Ghost, bomb and go drop you now. Play the rhythm again, make we give them a touch off of the next little one. Send the rhythm again, boy. Here, this one here is a small piece you're getting. Them interfere with the Holy Ghost anointing. Hey, me say, from me man, me no go Obia man. No, you no Obia man. When me see them, me say, go for Obia man. Yes. Hallelujah, Jesus. Yo. One more hallelujah, man. Drop them again. Me done. Tell her turn off the phone. Then we on a different level now. Time to work.
All right.
From me man, me no go Obia man. Stop me war in there. Can I get a hallelujah? Can I get a amen? And you say, can I get a praise him? Can I get a missile them name? Oh, from the man, me no go Obia man. No, you not do it, no Obia man. When we see them, we say, go so Obia. Jesus Christ, me God too strong. Lord Jesus, me say when you no see the lion asleep, left the lion. You see how me leave out at me give up the stage, take up the pulpit, all them lyrics are in there. Yeah? Oh God. Come on now.
All right.
We warn them. Come now.
By Facebook, by Instagram. Stay tuned. New single. Me soon alright. What the other one name?
From me man, me no go Obia man.
Yeah.
No, you not do it, no Obia man.
Hey.
Look at Stephen looking like poor Stephen, so American, don't know what we're talking about.
Well, your page them mash up.
Iniquity no he in my hand. Stephen laughing like Stephen like, yeah, this lady's crazy. Yes, Stephen, we crazy, we just trying to hold on to crazy, but
all right.
I tell you, you know, sometimes you have to face off with the devil, you know, and get it done with, yeah. You have to just light up a Holy Ghost fire and just burn iniquity. Bust down a demon, light up a witch. Why? I tell you, Jesus, cover we under the blood.
Press finish. No, right here.
Boy, what a piece of fire. I don't know what to say except like, subscribe, share, please comment as we build a thing and it will boom up like a nuclear. 2020, one serious year. All artists, the queen is there. Good gosh. All right, people, you know what to do. Dread out for now.